So this is my box underneath. I labeled there's 7 of them here. Right now I'm wiring up the brake wires, so I have the 2 wires coming from the brake line, and since I have them labeled, one of them needs to go to the ground, and then the other one needs to go to the brakes, which they should be blue, coming from, if I have them going in and going out to the 7-pin plug and then going into the camper. And this is dog hair. So then this box is pretty nice. It came already wired to the 7-pin plug. I got a little cap for it. So then in here, this is the ground, and then this is the blue wire for the brake. So you see how there's not one there. I gotta run one of these to that, and then one of them to the ground. And then there's the wire going back towards the tires, and then they'll each connect on the tires back there. So I have a hole coming in here, so I gotta come in like this, so I don't have quite enough wires, so I'm gonna have to add wire, which is kind of annoying, but I gotta test out my brake controller, so hopefully I take these off. I'm gonna add dielectric grease in here. Maybe I might even just caulk 2 around, but the junction box I got underneath here in the front, so wiring that up.